that?
Where the heck's he at?
Right here.
Okay, I got him. I got him. That's a nice fish.
Oh my gosh.
He slammed that thing.
I think he's a hatchery fish.
I wouldn't doubt it. He's got it in his mouth, too.
This is awesome, bro.
I barely got a sip of my freaking beer. He's done. You're mean. He didn't even have a chance. That's a giant trout. That's all that is.
Huh?
That's just a big trout. Come on, would you stop playing with him? Get in here. I feel like we're down here at Walter Worth Pond or something. He's like what? Maybe a 6-pounder?
Yeah, probably about 6 pounds.
You want to just slide him up on the bank?
Yeah.
Oh. That's a cute fish. Here, you want me to shut this off and get him?
You can run it. I think I can get him.
Would you stop playing around with this fish and just get it in? This isn't freaking... You playing tag with him or what?
Yeah.
Hey, good thing you put a dip in.
I know.
There you go. Slide him up. Just start walking back.
Dad, he's a hatchery fish.
I know. Grab him by the lure and just pull him straight up with the lure. Oh my God. I'm glad we got this on video. This is funny. This is hilarious. What are you doing, petting him? Nice fishy. God, he's not a deer. You're like dragging him up on shore. Grab him by his horns.
That's a hatchery fish, buddy. We gotta go get ice.
All right, I'm gonna shut this down. You don't have to get ice on a day like this. What do you think it is, 90?
Oh, my lure came out.
All right, I'm shutting her down.
Okay.